Good morning guys, good afternoon, good evening from wherever you're watching. Welcome back to Sherin Melvin's channel. So here, it's still morning. We have seen Kwara, our grandpa is just from the farm. He has finished farming. So we are cooking this very fast with my mom so that we can take it to him. This is ugali. My mom is preparing ugali, and I'm also preparing sukuma wiki. I'm going to mix it with some cabbages, and also we have a little stew that was left. Okay, you can show them. We have some stew that was left yesterday. Also here in the fryer we have some sweet potatoes. Yeah, we have some sweet potatoes in here. Yeah. Simba! Simba!
Where did you go? My grandpa is here, he's so tired. Let's bring her some food.
So guys, we want to also give him some avocado. And I've already cut this one. These are the avocados that we got from his farm. You remember that day? Yeah. You remember that day when Henry was getting the avocados from the trees? I don't know, is this right?
Yeah.
Yeah, I think it is right. Is right. So he can mix this with this spoon is very, very, how do you say, it's very, very sharp. This avocado is not really ripe, but it is ripe. No, I want the one which is very, very ripe. Let me see if this one is very, very ripe. This one is ripe, but I want the one which is very ripe. Oopsie. Okay. Yeah, this one is better. You see, Kwara is just from the farm. He has just finished since 6 a.m. and so he always wakes up earlier than everybody. I think everybody in this village, right? Yeah, to just go and farm in his land. Yeah. So, instead of tea today, we are giving him some ugali. Ugali in English is? Ugali. Ugali is made of wheat flour and...
Not wheat, not wheat. No,
maize. Sorry. But maize is wheat. Ugali is made of maize. Our ugali is made of maize. And is it cassava or what? No, millet. Because it is brown. The brown ugali. You see, this one is very, very ripe. I do not want to remove this one. It's not bad. Even this one. This is also good. I think that is enough for him. Yeah. That is good for him. Let's go. This one now he's going to mix it inside the sukuma wiki. Voila. Voila. Haya, adwa ni logi.
Alogi?
Logi koro. Wakili ni sabu.
Nyakwara. Ikelo na pimra logi e puodho.
Akelo ni mondi logi e puodho.
Itimo maber. Itimo maber.
Log maber sabi.
Itimo koro ita to ok winjo wach. An gi chandruok mar it. Ita ok winjo wach.
Salama ningemletea nini?
Kata ng'ato wuoyo.
Nikita sabuni?
Ngo sawa.
Idogo maber kwe. Nentie.
Lo pod nitie.
Lo pod nitie.
Kamano.
Kwara is saying he has hearing problem. And also he does not see well.
Akelo gimoro.
Ikelo gimoro.
Kwara. Adwa ni makma.
Makama.
Makamano. Makamano nitie sup kik pukre. Kasto ka nitie
gimoro ni ka.
Be ibedo maber kwe. Nitie kuon nika.
Makuon.
Makuon.
Ere pia modhi.
Kel pi. Kasto ka nitie avocado ka. Inyalo aketni ka. Nitie. We akel ni pi modho.
Nyasachwa. Kendo wuonwa adogo ni erokamano kuom chiwo mari mnichano kato nakia. Nito ni chiegni. Iliyofo nyaka ini chamo gima kama. Napo kakawa chamo ruoda. Happy uma hotel na akawe gi kweni nyingi no male yaore Yesu. Mage mato gine. Wacham kuon. Wacham kuon.
Kwara. Pi modho. Idwaro pi modho?
Pi modho. So at least he's now happy. At least he's getting back his energy. Yeah. It's still morning actually. And this is very normal. You can take tea. Yes. kuonika kwara kiki nini? Lazima ukule ugali. Yeah. Carl, you want to say something?
I have no words.
You have no words. Let people see. You want to sit here. And he has actually farmed. Come and show them. Since that day, imagine. Actually, he started long time ago. Sindio? Hello, welcome back. This is one of the puppies. I don't know what he wants here. We are still at the farm. Kwara has just... He is just done farming. Hey, Lelu, want to say hi? Most of you already know our dog Lelu. So he did this up to somewhere there. Yeah, this is where you will always find him every morning. Yeah. So today our plan is to go to the border town. I think Chacha Tales is going to open his I don't know, should I call it a hotel, or I don't know if it is a hotel or is an arts place. I don't know. We'll see in the evening when we get there. It's called Max Creative Hub. For whatever it is, congratulations, Chacha Tales. I know we haven't met. We'll meet today, but I'm so happy for the step you have done. Yeah. Okay, let's continue watching. Wow, I would have shown you the birds. They're very beautiful. This one here is a mapera tree. What is a mapera tree in English? Anyway, I don't know. Let's just have a seat. Koro, next time angna kel ni rech.
Oh. Onge wach. Ayen kabisa.
Walogi. Mama.
Oh, nyakwara yeng matek.
Karibu.
Kasa donjo dala. Koro nindo ayeng.
Aya, kikichung komondi, kikichung. Beda kanyo kwanza.
Kanye.
For Grandpa some tea. Kwara. Adwa ni madh chai.
Oh, chai kendo. Oh.
Ntie chai kanyo.
Haya.
Idwa ketoka. Ober. So I've just given him some milk tea. Yeah. He has actually said that he is very, very full. Yeah. He is very, very full. I don't know. I think we should give these dogs this one, right?
Go and put for them inside.
Oh, okay.
Simba.
So we are done. We are done giving Kwara something to bring back his energy. At least, yeah. Should we take the
just take
water? I think because he's already done with them.
Yeah. He's now full.
Yeah, he's very full. He has said that he just wants to go and sleep. Look at Simba. Actually, we have a lot of pests.
Koro walemo. Kase lemo kora de dala.
Walemo. We Brighton walemo.
Wuonwa kendo Nyasachwa mohero wa gi lala. Ichopo singo mari kod ndiko ni kaka ne ndiko. Ni kawuono nyaka chiemie puodho ka. Ng'ama nong'eyo ma ng'a onge to ito ning'eyo. Omiyo kama magio ae mwachamogi ineno kanitie gweth migwedhogo Nyasachwa gwedh kanyo kuom ng'wononi. Nyakwara mokelo na chiemo e puodho ka en gi dwaro kuomi. Dwaro men go kuomi e chunye king'iyo ineno dwacheno an ing'ena kia to iti wuon ing'eyo gimodwaro. Akwayi niya bed machiegni kode e dwacheno kipare e kind nyiri wetene kaka niparo Esther. Mano kende Nyasaye. Onge gima dakwa maduong' an gang'o. Kaka niparo Esther. En bende dalagi ka pare kuom ng'wononi. Erokamano kuom timo duto. Erokamano kuom miwa thuolo walami. Modong' timnwa kaka Nyasachwa e polo malo. E nyingino malaye Ruodha.
Amen.
Nyakwa mosna mama.
Adhi mose.
Dhi mose. Jaduong' be nitie.
Jaduong' tie.
Imosona nyak to museni kanye.
Museno dhi tich.
To wuoyi machielo cha.
En mbele ni ka.
En ka.
En ka.
Mosna gite nyaka nyako cha.
Ang na mos gi. Koro wachung' wadhi. Aya. Kikigo wii kanyo. Unaitwa nani?
Mosna gi ahinya.
Ang na mos gi.
Mama yikwaya nyako mosna gi. Koro wadhi dala. Kweru kao. Wadhi.
Mos gani ya. Aya. Ausa yuko? Nitapitia huko. We are done. We are just done. I don't know if I don't think I've left anything there. Yeah, we are just done. Kwara is going with his other grandsons. They are taking him home. Yeah, we'll pass by and say hi to Grandma. So we are just done, and I'm so happy. But you're also happy, Sindio? Yeah, we're also happy. He has just prayed for us and wished us well. Nala, you want to say hi? Hi, say hi to people. Nala doesn't want to say hi. Okay, we will meet. Please watch, like, and share. Yeah, we will meet. I don't know if we will meet in this video. If not, in the next video. Look at Simba. He likes to move around. These cats, they came from Nairobi. Now they are taking advantage of the village. They are walking helter-skelter everywhere. I've also not told them the story about how Nala went to the club that Friday. You remember that Friday when he went to the club?
Which club?
The club where until she showered. She went to the club, and then when she came back, she got Lelu outside, and she slept on the tree.
Oh.
That day, I think it was the day after they came from Nairobi, right? So Nala told Simba, you know, I was raised here. Because before Nala went to the city, she was raised here as a youngling. So she knew this place very well. And then when they came back that day, she told Simba, you know, I know this place. Simba said, how do you know this place? And I saw her telling Simba that I want us to shower and then you go, because it was Friday night. I don't know who was coming to Kokoriko. Was it Ogaubina that night? So Nala was showering the way they always do, the way cats always do. Nala is this particular cat, this one. She's very notorious. So Nala showered. She also showered the kittens. This Rayla here and the other one behind, and this one here. She washed them. Yeah, she washed them. So after washing them, I saw also Simba showering. Then they went to a meeting on the chair that they always sit. And it's like they were communicating. Now I'm going. I think Oga Obinna has come. To Kokoriko. Simba said, I'm still new. I really fear this place. Guys, Simba did not want to go. But Nala, she went. Nala went from 6. It was from 6. It was 8 p.m., 9 p.m., 11, 9, 10, 11. We started looking for Simba. Where is Simba? Then we went to Oga Obinna's Instagram. And that is where we knew that Oga Obinna was at Kokoriko, that club down there. Guys, we looked for Simba. My mom woke me at 3 a.m. We looked for, not for Simba, for Nala. We looked for her. I even went to my brother Carl. I came to your house, right? To your lion down there. I went to him and asked him, have you seen Nala? Then he said, I don't know where he is, but we look for her in the morning. Do you know where Nala was? Nala was at Kokoriko. Then when she came back, she got Lelu. Because they were not friends by then. Because Nala had been brought the previous day, and now they are still visitors, right? So there was Simba. There were 8 puppies outside there, and also Angelina. Angelina is just loitering in Babu's farm, and they met Angelina, and there was nowhere to enter. All the windows were locked, all the doors were locked. There was nowhere that he could penetrate and enter. There was nowhere. So do you know where Nala slept? On top of the tree. On top of the tree, up there. Because now down here we had the dogs were barking, and Nala said, no, not today. I've just come from seeing Oga Obinna, and you cannot spoil the night for me. Then when my brother, we went back to sleep because we did not get Nala. Then my brother woke up very early in the morning, around 6, and heard Nala crying on top of the tree. Because now she did not know how to come down, like to come down from the tree. Carl, Nala did not know how to come down from the tree. Now my brother had to climb up the tree, then put Nala inside the pail like this one. Put her inside here, and then lower Nala down. And still Nala, while still here, she was, she was removing that sound, like after seeing the dogs. But at least at long last, she's still here. Since that day, she doesn't want to go to these clubs. Even today, I think Verasidika is supposed to be here in Migo. Is it Verasidika or Dongo Swag? They know that they are coming, but they will not go because of that ordeal that happened. She will never go, but now they're already friends. Because you can see Nala was just seated here and Lelu was seated there. So I think maybe if they want to go, they will go as a family, say hi to Dongo Swag. And Dongo Swag is a very big musician. He's like Chris Brown. Okay, guys, that was all. That is the story that I wanted to tell you. So please like, share, and subscribe. I'm so happy for today. Look at these cats and dogs. Anyway, remember to subscribe and stay safe during this Christmas. Bye.